Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 10, powered by Reva University, Vedanta and Lupizime Plus.
Welcome back. You're on the debate with me, and I had warned you viewers about the pro-Pakistan line the Vadra Congress was taking, even in 2019 when Sidhu hugged the Pakistani army chief. Tonight, the anti-nationalism within the Vadra Congress has escalated, and all the top brass has to offer is stone-cold silence. Is this part of a plan? Let's debate.
Top Congress leaders have taken an openly anti-India line by claiming Kashmir is a separate country. This is Navjot Singh Sidhu's right-hand man Malvinder Mali's Facebook post. Days after the post, he met Sidhu and has decided brazening it out and is still a Congress party member.
जो मैं कहना मेरे सोशल मीडिया ते कहा होया ओही फाइनल आ.
Another aide of Sidhu ahead of Punjab elections says Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh should tone down the Pakistan criticism in election season.
हंगामा होता रहेगा. हंगामा मालविंदर उसका जवाब वो जवाब मालविंदर जी देंगे. नहीं हमने तो एजेंडे पे हमने तो बात ये मुद्दे पे बात की है कि पंजाब के मुद्दे क्या हैं. मुद्दे पे हमने बात की है, बस वही बात करनी थी. उसके लिए आपको बता दिया.
And while others have questioned the anti-national separatist line, there is stone-cold silence from the Vadra Congress. Why is Navjot Singh Sidhu's overt anti-India position being indulged by the top brass? Republic warned you about this earlier.
Day when Indian forces absolutely wiped out the face of Lashkar terror in Kashmir, Pakistan spawned Navjot Singh Sidhu sang Imran's praises and allowed Pakistan to run down 1.3 billion Indians in Kartarpur. While Pakistan chooses to viciously attack India from that sacred platform, the pseudos back home, and we have so many of them, all they want is a free ticket to Pakistan. They won't say a word against their poster boy Imran Khan.
Pakistan and Congress echoed the same line within minutes of each other to target Republic. Tonight, this isn't about a Punjab Congress dispute. The question is, has taking a pro-Pak line become Congress tradition? Let's debate.
With Sardar R.P. Singh of the BJP, Smita Prakash, editor ANI, Sunny Singh Ahluwalia, spokesperson of the Punjab Aam Aadmi Party, Abdul Razak Khan, Sujata Paul supports the Congress, Subhrashta, and Arshpreet Khadial of the Punjab Congress spokesperson is joining us in a minute. So, Sujata or Renu Mittal, let me start with you. Obviously, the Congress party endorses the views of its top leaders in Punjab who are putting it out, saying that Kashmir is a country of the Kashmiri people, that Kashmir is a separate country. Now, the obvious reaction to that would have been some action, but the Congress says we won't take any action. So by not taking any action, you are complicit with the statement. Why would the Congress take such a line? We suspected it earlier. Now there is no doubt. Why are they taking this pro-Pakistan line all the time, on everything? What do they gain out of this? What is the strategy here?
No, Arnab, I think that what is happening in the Congress today is that it's a party in total and utter chaos and confusion. You know, I think that anybody who has been watching this party for long should have no qualms in admitting that they're all at 6s and 7s. Now today what has happened is that the General Secretary in charge of Punjab has made it clear that the Punjab election would be held under the leadership of Captain Amrinder Singh. That means that what Sidhu and his advisors are doing has been to a large extent negated by Sonia Gandhi, who is for all intents and purposes the Congress president. You may call her interim, you may call her temporary, you may call her whatever you want. But the fact remains that she is the Congress president and she has taken this view. Now Rahul and Priyanka were the ones who are backing Sidhu. Rahul is quiet on this front. He has not said a word. The party should have denounced Sidhu's advisor. They should have thrown him out of the party. They should have taken action against him. Priyanka, of course, is holidaying in USA or wherever she is, even though there is a UP election right around the corner. I think she's not really bothered because she hardly goes there at all. Now the fact is that Sonia takes a different line, Rahul takes a different line, and Priyanka takes a different line. I think it's wrong to say that the Congress party is been towing the pro-Pakistan line. It's not like that. The fact is that before the elections, they should never have made a non-serious player like Sidhu, the PCC president, who is in total conflict with Captain Amrinder Singh. You are giving away a winning state for the Congress. Now the fact is that the party should now officially come out.
But Renu,
Renu,
I know you've covered and reported on the Congress party for a very long time. I think you're being overindulgent. You are saying that the Congress party is at 6s and 7s, the confused party does not know what to do on everything. I agree with you. But Smita, this is not an ordinary statement. It's not an off-the-record statement. It is a planned statement. Yes. It has been put out deliberately. It is saying Kashmir is a separate country. This is not the kind of statement that you can sort of avoid, deflect, say, baad mein baat karenge. It's a very deliberate statement. Smita, that's the point. That's why I think Renu is being a bit soft on the Congress.
Look, Arnav, there are two aspects to the story. One is the bizarre comment, as you mentioned, and the sentiments of one section of the Congress regarding Kashmir. That is, but it's not just a political aspect. This is cause for concern and national interest. The other is the sharp political divide which you talked about in the Punjab Congress. It's an open rebellion. But how does an acting president and her number 2, the heir apparent, handle both? Chilling silence overtly, and no one knows what is the diktat from the Gandhis behind the parda. This is all assumption that Sonia is against, this one is against, subtly a message has been conveyed. This is all presumption about what Sonia Gandhi actually is. The point is that which politician ever makes a pro-Pakistan comment before an election? Either a politically inept person or one who genuinely believes that Kashmir doesn't belong to India and that Pakistan is heaven on earth, and everybody knows that this extreme love and this jigri mohabbat that Sidhu has for Imran Khan and Pakistan. You played a clip of your intervention at that time. That's absolutely true. He was sitting next to Bajwa. I mean, this person has been made the PCC president by the Gandhi siblings. Do you think that the siblings could have done this without Sonia Gandhi's okay?
Absolutely
not. No, certainly not. She's obviously okayed this. And his men are showing no confidence in a sitting chief minister who's probably going to win them an election. But look at the way they are chopping away at the very basis of his campaign. And that also a politically fickle person like Sidhu. I mean, he's being chosen by the family. Clearly,
but you know,
it's not
again,
just the siblings, it's Sonia Gandhi too.
No, this is not about, I personally think Sidhu is a comic. But, he could have gone into that profession full time. But what he's doing here is not comedy. And Harshpreet Khadial is spokesperson of the Punjab Congress. I would like to pit him versus Sardar R.P. Singh of the BJP and Sunny Singh Ahluwalia of the Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Khadial, you are saying, your party says that India has illegally occupied Kashmir. Your party says Kashmir is a separate country. Your party says Kashmir has been divided into 2 parts and India is illegally occupying part of Kashmir. And you are doing all this before the election. R.P. Singh, they are doing all this before the election, which means you have decided that you need to take an anti-India, anti-national line. And then when we are telling you, Mr. Khadial, that why don't you take some action? You're saying we don't need to take any action, which
Right.
means you believe in that line.
If I may be allowed a few seconds without interruption, I'd be able to answer all your questions. First and foremost, Kashmir was, is, and will always be a part of India. There should be no doubt about that. Second of all, Punjab ke CM Mukhyamantri jo hain, Captain Saab, he's an ex-army. He has served in the service and safety of India. Therefore, he has minced no words in condemning and criticizing the statement of Mr. Mali and Mr. Garg. He has categorically said that a post mocks the people who have died in 80s, 90s and till date for the safety and security of India, and our Jawans are being mocked because of this post of yours. Therefore, we condemn you. Just because one person has made a statement
One
of a
person.
party which is of lakhs of people, let me please
One
allow
person.
me. And after,
No.
ask
He is
me-
the
ask me
senior
as many
most
questions as you
advisor
want.
to your
Sahab.
party, state party chief.
Sahab.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Sahab.
1 minute. Just a minute.
Sahab.
Just a minute.
Allow me,
No. One second.
allow me to answer.
No. You
After
have
that, you can ask me as
personalized
many
it.
questions as you want.
What happened to RP Singh's
Ask me
video?
as many questions. Just 10 seconds.
No,
I
one
want.
sec.
I just want
Just a
10
minute.
seconds.
No, 1 minute. So 1 minute. Mr. Khadial, I'll give you full turn, full opportunity. Can I have Dr. Sunny Singh
Please.
Ahluwalia on the other side? You see, I'll tell you one thing. You made this whole issue about the fact that Captain Amrinder Singh served in the army. He's a nationalist. Yes. He's a nationalist. He has served in the army. I have no qualms in saying that. But I hold him responsible for refusing to take any action against this man. By not taking any action, you are also responsible. You should have filed an FIR. You should call out the treason. You are refusing to do that. Dr. Sunny Singh Ahluwalia, the Congress spokesperson, says one man has said this. We are not responsible.
10
But what
seconds.
action? No, but what action have they taken against that one man?
10 seconds.
No, Dr. Ahluwalia, please. I'm coming back to you. I'm going to come back to you. Dr. Ahluwalia, please. I'm going to come back to you.
Navjot Sidhu has appointed him as an advisor and he is holding a position. You cannot save your life, you save your words by just saying that he is the one person. Number one, we thought that Navjot Sidhu is going to present some kind of comedy in politics. We know that he is doing that. But at the same time, this is a very serious matter, and the advisor who has said that he should be expelled from your party, but it is your internal matter. But at the same time, Captain is quiet. Captain is not saying anything. That means Captain also agree with the same thing, what that advisor is saying. So here,
Captain has said a lot of things, sir. Please get a fact straight. Captain Saab, he just said Captain hasn't said a word. He has said a lot of words. He has minced no words. He has time and again condemned it, criticized it. He has called it an
You tell me, has he suspended him?
What else do you want to hear from him? Mr. Harish Rawat has spoken. Mr. Manish Tiwari has spoken. Many leaders of the Congress have spoken. Captain Saab categorically gave a statement that he condemned. He have condemned it.
No, what action has been taken against us?
Kejriwal
What action has been taken against this?
is somebody who's
What
known for
action has been
apologizing
taken
after
against
making a
that
remark.
person?
I would
Just tell me
urge
what is the
Aam Aadmi
action
Party
taken
to not
against him?
indulge into that.
No, you just tell me what is the
Kejriwal
action
Saab has
taken
back in the
against
day
him?
made remarks and after that apologized. I would urge
How
Aam
you
Aadmi
can
Party to
come
not do that.
what
Kejriwal
your-
Saab
what-
called something,
what
but
your
he called
advisor is
something,
saying?
addressed
What your advisor is
Majidhia.
saying?
Mr. Kejriwal apologized for a statement that he made back in the day. I would urge Aam Aadmi Party to not indulge into the same.
You see,
because he
Mr. Khadial,
he had
Mr.
said
Khadial,
what is
Mr. Khadial, 1 minute. I'll let RP Singh also come in. Mr. Khadial, let me explain one thing to you. See, Mr. Khadial, we have been observing the Congress party's behavior for a long time. Long time. You are a pro-Pakistan party. You are.
I'm sorry.
No,
That's the wrong
allow me
statement.
allow me to elaborate on why I feel you are a pro-Pakistan
Please
party.
don't
Let me elaborate.
Please don't
Let
say
me
that.
elaborate. You were not always.
I'm
You have
clear,
become.
you're not.
1 minute, Mr. Khadial. Am I saying you were always a pro-Pakistan party? No, but now you
Even
are a
now we are not.
pro-Pakistan party. I'll explain to you why. You say, "Mera yaar, Dildar, Imran Khan." It's rubbish. What is this? You went
What
and
about Mr.
you
Modi?
went and
What
you
about
went.
Mr. Modi
No,
going to
once,
Pakistan?
Mr. Modi didn't say "Mera yaar, Dildar, Imran
Very
Khan."
simply, when he went and met Mr. Nawaz Sharif, when he hugged him, when he sat on his chopper, what about that?
The second point is,
Nobody wants to talk about that.
the second
Nobody
point
wants to
is,
talk
allow
about
me,
that.
Mr.
Modi
Khadial, I listened to you
Mr. Modi
entirely,
went
but
to
you are not
Pakistan.
listening to me. You see,
You did not allow me to
you
complete,
should
sir.
have you should have understood that when the swearing-in ceremony of Imran Khan happened, all of India was very angry. What you were doing, your party president officially designated Sidhu to go there, and he went there. He started hugging this General Qamar Javed Bajwa. Did he not? RP Singh?
What
Did
about
he not?
Mr. Modi? Did he not?
Did he not?
Did he not hug Mr.
Did he
Nawaz
not?
Sharif? Did he not hug Mr. Nawaz Sharif? Did Mr. Modi, the Prime Minister of India, not hug Nawaz Sharif?
No, he
Did
didn't
not
hug.
sit
Mr.
in his job?
Singh, Mr. Singh, hold
Did he
on.
not sit
Mr. Singh,
with him?
please.
One second on the debate. RP Singh responding right now, please. RP.
I can
RP is only RP and only RP and Mr. Kadial. Yeah.
See, Congress has done treason on Kashmir throughout. When Pandit Nehru went to UN and said we need to resolve this issue with intervention in UN. When he fought 370 in Constitution, when he got 35 years to backdoor, until now they have been doing so in their manifesto of 2019, para 37, it categorically mentioned that they are with 370-35A. Not only that, after the 370-35A was removed, I didn't interpret you. Hold on. See, he's running away now.
I want to talk about it. Do not want to say anything about it. He's been avoided.
Let me read out, sir. Let me read out for you your resolution on 6 August 2019. Again, you are favoring 370-35A after it was abrogated in the parliament. So it's a stated line you have. And that's why neither Captain Amrinder Singh, neither Rahul Gandhi are uttering a word. The captain should have immediately asked his DG to take action, file a FIR and then take action and arrest that man. But he's not doing. I'm shocked. What is the pressure on captain? And whatever is being done today, this MLS coming, ministers coming, is just a diversion. They want to divert the issue of Malli. And it's not only Malli. The other person is saying that, Taliban is a good state.
10 seconds.
The third person is...
Anabji, 10 seconds is all I want. 10 seconds.
Sir, give me a second, sir. Give me a second. The still other person is saying, we should have
spoken for more than a minute, sir.
So
spoken for more than a minute.
I didn't interpret you.
Economy zero.
So
education zero. Medicare zero. Economy is a sinking ship. You don't want to talk about that.
The policy of the Congress has been throughout that they have been doing treason with the Kashmir as the issue, Kashmir as a state. And this is a stated policy of the Congress. And that's why when Sidhu has to fly to Pakistan, special chartered plane was provided by
Modi Sahab went to
Rahul Gandhi
Pakistan.
and Ahmed Patel. Sir, he was the Prime Minister of the country. No, Sidhu is not the Prime Minister of the country, sir. He went there as the Prime Minister of the country, sir.
He sipped tea with him.
Sir,
Tea
Imran
with
Khan
Mr.
took
Nawaz
the
Sharif. He
statement
don't
of
have anything to
Rahul
say about
Gandhi
it.
and went to UN.
He went there unannounced.
Quoted Rahul Gandhi and quoted Rahul Gandhi in UN, saying that Rahul Gandhi is saying that there is problem in Kashmir. And you are following the same policy of Pakistan, K2 policy, Kashmir and Khanistan. My problem is with Congress is that they are trying to disrupt peace in Punjab today. What was done in the 80s by Jarbara Singh and Gary Johnson
He hasn't said a word. He hasn't said a word about more than 600 Kisans who have died. You haven't uttered a word about the 600 Kisans who have been martyred. You haven't said a word about the families who have now been rendered
what did Jharkhand say? That we have sent those Kisan to the border. Jharkhand is on record in front of Sidhu and in front of
Okay, one point. I am again appealing to you. I am appealing to you, sir. 1 minute, Mr. Kadial. 1 minute, Mr. Kadial. You are from the Congress Party. A minute, please. I have Subrashta also on the debate. Sujata is on the debate. We have Abdul Razak on the debate. See, I'll tell you the honorable thing would be, Subrashta. And first of all, we all give each other time. You must sack this person. You have no choice. You know, they'll have to sack him. There's no choice. If you don't sack him, then you're an anti-national party. No, Razak, there is no option here. You don't.
Parliamentary representative Sadhvi Pragya Thakur called the killer of Mahatma Gandhi a patriot. What action was taken on her? All the senior Congress leaders have criticized this comment, condemned this comment, and including Captain Amrinder, who has very clearly said this is atrocious and ill-conceived. This is deplorable.
The statement, I don't know why, Abdul Razak, I'll bring in Sujata also on. I don't know why you have to defend the Congress. To say that Kashmir is a separate country and you're trying to find excuses to defend it. You're trying to find excuses to defend it. Let me get it, Subrashta. You know, I think it's very embarrassing. No, it's very embarrassing, this whole attempt to try and defend what the Congress has said here. I'll bring in Sujata and Subrashta. Please, I'm requesting you file an FIR, arrest the man for treason, for sedition, sack him from the party, file a case, Otherwise, you risk being known as an officially anti-India party. And I will otherwise have to prove how you and Pakistan have calibrated your statements. You know, Mr. Khadial, how many times the words of the Congress and the words of the Pakistan Foreign Ministry are exactly the same? Do you have a hotline with each other? Do you want me to embarrass you? No, 1 minute. Just a point.
Say one word. Just a point. Just a minute. Mr. Mali, a simple advisor. He going to Pakistan. He sipping tea. He meeting Mr. Nawaz.
Okay, we'll get Subrashta to respond to this. Subrashta.
No word.
Okay, so you won't.
You don't have to say anything about it.
Okay,
What I'm saying is,
Subrashta.
this is a meager advisor. This is the head of the state. Why do you not have anything to say about him?
Can you please allow me some space and time?
Why do you not
Mr.
have anything
Khadial, please.
Mr. Anurag Thakur's statement? Is all I'm trying to ask.
Mr. Khadial,
Desh ke
please,
gaddaron
may I
ko
please
goli maro
respond?
salo ko statement was made. Nothing was done about him.
No.
Nothing was
Mr.
said.
Khadial.
No, 1 second.
He has been
A
made
minute.
a minister today.
No, 1 minute. Let me make it amply clear. 1 minute, Subrashta, on the comment on Anurag Thakur. Anurag Thakur was on stage. He said, "Desh ke gaddaron ko." Rest of it was said by the audience. Rest of it was said by the audience. Don't ascribe it to him. It was said by the audience. Go see the video. Now Subrashta will respond to you. 1 minute.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. But your party is describing Kashmir as a separate country. I'll keep bringing you back to that. Subrashta.
An individual.
Yes,
only an
Arnab,
individual.
it's quite preposterous that these people are talking about Sadhvi Pragya Thakur and Anurag Thakur right now, completely missing the context of today's debate. Now, what Navjot Singh Sidhu has said has been condemned by none other than Congress party senior leaders. Manish Tiwari ji, who was the Union Information and Broadcasting Minister in Congress's tenure, has gone on to say something very uncharitable for not just Sidhu but also the two advisors. Harish Rawat, who is the Punjab in charge on behalf of the party, has something very uncharitable, to say to the two advisors. Now, here on your panel, you have Congress spokespersons and Congress supporters completely belying all of this and giving out very tangential logic. Let me also counter them on 2 points that they have raised. With respect to Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, even, first of all, the BJP, there have been many BJP, leaders, senior leaders who condemned Sadhvi Pragya Thakur's, statement. Number one. Number two, she is a member of parliament. If people really want to, show her her place, they would not elect her the next time. These people should have the guts and gumption to wait for parliamentary democracy to take over. And Sujata ji, before smiling and saying anything else, let me also tell you that this whole preposterous logic of dragging Anurag ji into this, what do you do to Desh ke Gaddar? You might worship Desh ke Gaddar and bring them as advisors to your, whatever post you have. Desh ke Gaddars don't need to be celebrated in this country. And the last point, Madam, I'm still not done. Madam, I'm still not done, Madam. Allow me to speak. Navjot Singh Sidhu is not just any random politician from the Congress party. He represents the Punjab Congress as the head of Punjab Congress. First of all. And second of all, this is a state which is a breeding ground for so many anti-national activities and mission activities right now. You just need to look at a couple of intelligence reports to basically gather this statement. How can you allow an irresponsible political leader, public leader like Navjot Singh Sidhu and defend him on national television? Will you listen to your own party, your own chief minister? Today, Punjab Congress is zero. Nothing without Captain Amrinder Singh. Captain Amrinder Singh is the son of the soil who has fought for this country. He is not just Punjab's son, madam. He is the son of this country who has fought for the country on the borders. So before you start defending Navjot Singh Sidhu, look at the credential of the leader that you in effect are trying to absolutely backtrack on and are trying to belie the logic of. Please do not speak anything which comes to your mind. Do not defend anti-nationals and statements by anti-nationals. It's a humble request.
Now, Mr. Khadial, one more chance I'll give you and come into the debate here and listen to the logic. See, you will have to take action against Sidhu because he has been meeting Khalistani terrorists also, as you know. historically, no. See, you know what he did. He didn't he meet Smita Gopal Singh Chawla during his visit to the Kartarpur corridor. He went straight. He went straight and first met the Khalistani terrorist. Did he not? Did he not? Smita? No. We remind him. We remind you didn't. Yeah, Mr. Kadial, what happened to your video? Yeah.
May I answer? Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you now. Now
can you see me? Yeah,
now,
right.
Now you see. The other thing is, Mr. Kadial, I can see you loud and clear. I have got a series of statements where within seconds the Congress party issues a press release which sounds exactly like the Pakistani, and Pakistanis issue a press release exactly like the Congress. How does this happen? You can't speak the same tongue all the time. All the time. Why do you do that? Explain to me why do you do that? Is it accidental?
All right. I think an answer to that lies in this statement that I'm going to make, and that everybody is going to be hearing it. Please allow me to give an answer to Mr. Goswami's question. My answer lies in this statement. Now, Mr. Modi goes to Pakistan. He hugs Mr. Nawaz Sharif, sips tea with him,
he's the Prime Minister of the
and
country,
sits in his chopper, which is against protocol.
No, he went to the Prime Minister country. Why you bring? He went to the Prime Minister country.
You said a word about Mr.
He is elected.
You haven't said a word about Mr. Modi. Is what I'm trying to ask you. You haven't said a word about Mr. Modi. Please answer. Yeah, this is the stature of Mr. Modi, and this is the stature of me.
I'll let Smita respond to that. Smita.
Mr. Goswami.
No. Mr. Kadial, I would request Mr. Kadial, 1 minute. Mr. Kadial, I'm back. Mr. Kadial, I'm back. I would request, you seem to be a sensible man. I would request a slight application of common sense when you make these statements about Mr. Modi. Tell me, did Sidhu or did Robert Vadra authorize did Robert Vadra authorize the Balakot airstrike? No. Did Robert Vadra?
Am I saying?
Or did Priyanka Vadra authorize the? No. You tell me. You tell me. I'm asking you a question. Did Robert Vadra or Priyanka Vadra or which other Vadra family member did they authorize the Balakot airstrike? Who did?
Who went to Pakistan?
One second. What was my question? What was my question?
Who was the person who hugged there?
No.
What is my question?
Who authorized the Balakot airstrike? Who authorized it?
I am
Who authorized
this
it?
thing. You please answer.
I have just a simple example to you. No. What was my question?
It's not an answer.
No. My question is very.
Your question was asked.
No. What was my question?
You haven't answered
Mr. Kadial, I remind you. Mr. Kadial, I have an amazing. Among the many amazing attributes I have, is an amazing, incredible memory. Incredible memory. You say I forget my question. I don't. My question was, Smita, has the pro-Pakistan line become Vadra Congress tradition now? Why does Shashi Tharoor take the same line on the ICJ verdict as the Pakistani Minister Fawad Chaudhry? Why?
You haven't said a word yet. Please tell us what your take is on it. That's all
my take. My take is that okay. So my take. Okay. So you're asking me my take. So don't. Among the other many extraordinary abilities I have, among the other many extraordinary abilities I have, Mr. Kadial, is the ability to understand something when it is said to me once. My take is simple, that both of you speak each other's language. You see, on 370, Arey Baba, you debate with Smita, not me. You debate with Smita. I know I'm a fascinating person to debate with, but you debate with Smita. No, you debate with Smita. You debate with Smita on 370. My point is on 370. My point is, please stop becoming a pro-Pakistan party. Your line on 370 was the same as that of Islamabad. Don't embarrass yourself. Okay, over to Smita.
Going to Pakistan is what I'm trying to ask you. Why do you not
over to Smita.
Mr. Modi went there. Simply, you don't have an answer to that. You don't want to say anything about it. You want to basically turn a blind eye to it.
You are just digging yourself.
You want to turn your back on it.
You are digging yourself deeper and deeper into the pit. There is absolutely no need to defend. Sir, may I just complete?
Please go ahead.
You are digging yourself deeper and deeper into the pit. As far as defending what has happened right now, I would suggest that you should not bother to even defend, because your own party leaders are not defending.
We're not defending it.
What
We're
was
condemning
said.
it.
So you have obviously heard what Praneeth Kaur had to say, right? So Exactly. So your chief minister and his wife both, and she is a politician in her own right, they have both said distance themselves. So there is absolutely no need to defend Sidhu or his advisors on their stands regarding Pakistan. Absolutely no need. So I don't understand why you are being holier than the Pope. The other thing I want to say, is that whoever wins this election, whether it is the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP, the Akali Dal, or the Congress, or any random party, it is extremely important that being a frontier state, the chief minister has to be 100% a nationalist.
Correct.
And 100% should be on the line with the government of the day, regardless of which party is in power, as far as India's position on Pakistan is concerned, as far as India's position on China is concerned, more so Pakistan, because Punjab shares a border with Pakistan. So I'm sorry to say that if anybody from your party backs Pakistan, that person should be absolutely shed in national interest. And
Correct.
it is very sad to see that the high command of the party doesn't understand this basic logic.
5 seconds. 5 seconds is all I want. 5 seconds is all I want.
Why are you defending the indefensible?
BJP's... No,
Why are you doing
I'm
it?
not defending it. BJP's
No, you are, of course you are. Ask Renu, even Renu is telling you that you are. 1 minute. Renu wants to come on. 1 minute. Renu, isn't he defending?
just one thing.
No, you're defending the indefensible. Don't do this. No, 1 minute. Hear from Renu, 1 minute. Mr. Khadian, hear from Renu. Renu Mittal.
No. Yeah, 1 minute please. You see, the point is that most of the people who are being promoted by Rahul Gandhi now are people who have come from the BJP. Now, I think he doesn't really believe fully in the structure of the Congress party. These are not people who have been trained by the Congress, who have been a part of the Congress infrastructure and the structure of the Congress party. We've got Sidhu, who came in from the BJP.
Sujata
We have a Mr. Patola, who was made the PCC by Rahul Gandhi, who came in from there. So the fact is that these are not men who understand the culture that the Congress stands for. Now, Captain Amrinder Singh is not in a position to counter these people, because Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, who I think are very immature, very irresponsible, they have yet to learn the finer nuances of politics, but they insist, yes, they are immature, because you see, he's taking
he's 51
without keeping in mind the entire immature and irresponsible. I go so far as
at
to
51,
say that
immature.
the fact is that these two siblings think that they are controlling the party. But Sonia Gandhi was not in favor of making Sidhu, knowing fully well the kind of person he is and what will happen in the days to come, particularly when you are heading towards election and the Congress is looking. Congress has only 3 state governments left, and in all the 3 state governments there is total chaos and pandemonium, there is unrest, there is infighting, and the Gandhi siblings are unable to handle the situation in all the 3 states.
Yeah.
Now the fact is that in Punjab is getting a bit worse because of the statement that made about Kashmir.
It's not a Punjab's Renu, a person of your journalistic experience, you do know.
And made a strong
Renu, you've had more than 3 decades in journalism. You know, a statement like this, Renu, is not an odd statement of a leader.
Yes.
If across the whole country we are debating it, Subrashta, look at the conversation on social media today. The youth of the country are asking, is this the line of your party? If it's not, then take action.
The youth of the country is asking, where is employment, where is education, where is Medicare, where are the rights of the farmers? Why have more than 600 farmers died at the border? Why has nothing been done about it?
Subrashta is on the left.
Subrashta Modi not tweeted about it? Why has no word been said by the Honorable Prime Minister about the deaths that have happened at the border? Why did he make a law which wasn't required, which wasn't expected? Why did he not take this into consideration?
You just need
Why
to
did he
do
not
a
debate and discuss
basic
in the
Twitter
parliament?
search. I'm not even asking you to Google.
There you won't have an
asking
answer.
you to do a basic
Education,
Twitter
economy,
search, Mr.
employment,
Khadial.
Medicare.
Look at what Sidhu has had to say 2 days ago on farmers' protests. Look at the kind of pains he has sung to BJP-led governments in different states. Mr. Khadial, don't embarrass yourself, please. The question is about what Sidhu feels, or what whoever his team of advisors are, what they feel on the whole, situation. Don't you understand what kind of a state Punjab is? It's a frontier state. What are you smiling at? Do you have the guts to read what Sidhu tweeted 2 days ago? I will read it out to you.
Not being given
No, hold on, sir. Hold on, sir. Don't embarrass yourself. Now that you have literally asked for it, Let me read out what this man had to say 2 days ago on the very issue that you wanted to raise today on this particular debate.
Okay, go on.
And I really don't
I think it's going to take too long. It's taking too long. Sir, मुझे 5 seconds दीजिए.
What is taking long?
Education,
What is
employment,
taking long?
economy.
What is taking long? अरे बाबा,
Education,
मैं
employment,
wait कर रही हूँ
economy,
ना, आप
Medicare,
बता
it's
दो।
all gone.
आप बता
The
दो
rights
ना,
of farmers are
नवजोत
gone.
सिंह सिद्धू
There is no
ने
debate discussion
2
happening in
दिन
the parliament
पहले
anymore.
क्या बोला था?
The laws are being
आप बोलो
passed
ना।
and the laws are being passed without
Sugarcane
taking a
farmer-
physical
hold
vote when
on,
it's being
sir.
demanded.
Sir,
Voice vote हो रहा है.
Sir.
Therefore, all we are
The
asking for is
sugarcane farmers
transparency,
issue
accountability,
needs to be
answerability.
immediately resolved
Responsibility.
amicably. Strange that despite the higher cost of cultivation in Punjab, the state assured prices too low as compared to Haryana, UP, Uttarakhand.
So
As
that-
torchbearer of agriculture,
The government has
Punjab
announced
SFP should be
290
better.
bucks per quintal of
This is
cane.
Congress.
We have
This is
announced
your Congress
360
chief
bucks.
talking about. This is your Congress chief, the Punjab Congress chief, talking about his own state. Dare not raise issues on which you have no
Abdul
knowledge.
Razak.
You are
Sujata.
embarrassing yourself and your party.
And Sujata, if I may, Mr. Kadial, your decision also. See, I know historically you have become pro-Pakistan, but timing. Today, Pakistan is saying we'll join hands with the Taliban to come to Kashmir, and you are taking a pro-Pakistan line. You have any political sense? Renu says you're a confused party. You are.
All right.
No. You, of course, you are confused.
Modi's visit to Pakistan.
No.
But you want to keep coming back to a meager
No.
advisor
No.
who has given a
Arnab,
statement. You don't want to talk about
my
employment,
simple question
education,
is,
economy,
why
Medicare,
are we
how the
talking
condition
about
of farmers has
Congress
deteriorated.
from
You don't
talking
want to
about
talk about
farmers'
that.
protest
You don't
to
want to talk
Pakistan
about the
again,
CJ
right?
saying there's no more debate discussion happening. You don't want to talk about the fact that physical votes are being demanded in the Rajya Sabha. Despite that, a voice vote is happening. You don't want to talk about how laws are being shoved down the throat of the people.
Sani Ahluwalia,
How
Sani
freedom of
Ahluwalia,
expression
Sani
has been thrown
Ahluwalia.
out of the window. You don't want to talk about dissent. You don't want to talk about democracy. You don't want to talk about development. You don't want. You just want to talk about an advisor statement. A meager advisor statement is all you want to talk about. Development should go out of the window according to you. Is what I feel.
Sani Ahluwalia.
Just simple question is Congress taking any action against that advisor? Yes or no?
We have condemned
Nothing
it
else.
already.
Why you are taking? Why are you again moving to BJP? Why you are moving to Modi? You just simply say the answer.
What did
Are
you do
you
about
taking
Mr.
any
Modi's
action
visit?
against that
Okay, and
advisor?
ladies and
What
gentlemen,
did you
Yes
do
or no?
about Mr. Modi's visit?
Are you taking any action? Just simple
We have
question
condemned
is
it.
this.
We have
Are you
condemned
taking
it.
any
Our
action?
leadership, our ministers, our
Are you
MLAs,
taking
our
any
I think that if I think I would only say that if we expect Captain Amrinder Singh to take action, when he takes action, because I'm certain a nationalist like him will, the whole country will stand with him. The whole country will ask the Vadras then why they did not show the courage that we hope Captain Amrinder Singh does.